opposition in Lok Sabha, has stirred up a significant political storm with his recent foreign visit. His remarks in the United States have drawn sharp criticism from India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, that is the BJP. On September 9th, Gandhi addressed the Indian diaspora in Virginia. He highlighted issues concerning religious freedom in India, specifically mentioning Sikhs. Gandhi questioned whether Sikhs would be allowed to practice their religion freely in India, including wearing their turban or visiting gurdwaras.
First of all, you have to understand what the fight is about. Fight is not about politics. That is superficial. What is your name? Brother, with the turban? What is your name? Bhalinder Singh. The fight is about whether he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear his turban in India.
Earlier in Texas, Gandhi criticized the RSS, the BJP's ideological parent, saying they view India as a singular idea while the Congress sees it as a diverse collection of ideas. He also discussed the low participation of women in the workforce, describing the attitude of many men towards women as ridiculous, attributing this to an ideological conflict between the BJP and the opposition. Gandhi's comments on employment were also controversial. He compared India's employment issues with those in the West and China, suggesting that India's skill shortage is not the problem, but rather the lack of respect for skilled individuals. The BJP responded strongly. Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri invoked the 1984 Sikh riots, accusing Gandhi of speaking without understanding the true facts.
पहली बात तो जो उन्होंने बात कही है सिख कम्युनिटी के बारे में, इट्स फैक्चुअली इनकरेक्ट. नो मेंबर ऑफ द सिख कम्युनिटी भारत के अंदर या हमारे किसी विदेश में कभी किसी सिख मेंबर को बोला गया कि आप पगड़ी नहीं पहन सकते. ये कहाँ क्या गया? आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ एनीथिंग. एंड टू से कि इशू इज वेदर सिख विल बी एबल टू वेयर अ टर्बन, वेदर वो गुरुद्वारे जा पाएगा कि नहीं, वो कड़ा पहन पाएगा नहीं, पता नहीं वेयर ही इज गेटिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम.
This was not all, as BJP leader RP Singh even threatened legal action against Gandhi if he repeated his statements on Sikhs in India. The BJP also took issue with Gandhi's remarks on employment, claiming it showed his love for China and criticized the Congress for failing to create job opportunities. But this is not the first time that Gandhi's foreign visits have caused controversy. In past speeches, he has criticized the state of democracy in India, accused the BJP of stifling freedom of speech, and questioned the nation's unity. In May, during a visit to California, Gandhi claimed that the RSS and BJP control all political institutions in India. This again prompted a strong backlash from the BJP, with Anurag Thakur accusing Gandhi of insulting India and questioning his motives. The debate over Gandhi's remarks continues to unfold, with both sides standing firm in their positions. The Congress maintains that criticizing the BJP does not equate to criticizing India itself, while the BJP argues that Gandhi's comments undermine the nation's image. But what are your views? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.